Well, look at this, ladies and gentlemen. This whole entire hometown of mine is full of snow. Pretty much got a big blizzard yesterday. Oh, good. Footprints. Great. Awesome. Damn it. Well, I kind of didn't want to, say this to my face and to anybody's face, but welcome to early Christmas snow. Welcome to Santa Claus bombing cities with snow. Look at all this. Hey, my shadow. Damn it. Well, let's hope this lasts. Let's hope this really, really lasts. So what you're seeing now is the complete aftermath of the biggest blizzard we ever had. Like, not over there. Oh, shit. Fuck. I kind of spooked there. Anything there? I can't see because of the stupid app. Well, the sky's looking normal. Cloudy as fuck. It's Sunday. It's like almost 2 in the morning. Holy shit, why am I filming at 2 in the morning? Well, this whole entire blizzard just blanketed the entire area of my hometown of Winnipeg, Canada under 10 feet of snow. Oh. By the way, oh, something just dropped there. Nice. Coming from the light pole, huh? Yeah. Damn it. The traffic seems normal at almost 2 in the morning, so that's fine. Oh well. Guess I'm gonna have to enjoy 10 feet of snow for the time being, and for the time being, alone.